introduction of the LGB, which is LED glass brick. Please allow me to introduce the all the parts and items by order. We start from the power, and as you can see, this 18 volts power with the switcher. At the end, and next will be the multi-controller with the power and the SD card, 2G SD card. And next is all the accessory. As you can see, we have 3 accessory. The first one is a connector wire, which is 4 pin, and the power wire, which is 2 pin, and the wire this is connect to the power, and the T connector at the bottom part it's connect to the power. Okay, as you can see, it's 2 pin, and they have 2 sides. Okay, for the right hand side, it's connect to the controller. On the left hand side, which is the female port, it's connect to the first LGB glass brick units. Okay, and today we demo the connect way of 3 pieces, LGB pieces. Okay, let's start to do the installation. So start from the power. It's positive, and the black it's negative, which is connect to the red one, connect to the wire with the label shows DC 24 volts plus. So the red one with the plus, and the black one with another one. So let's just do it. As you can see, red one 24 volts plus, black one to another, and let's just tidy up. Just make sure that you tidy it up and tightly, alright? And make sure that you use this kind of screw. We jump to the controller part. So basically, just put the SD card at the side directly into the controller, and put the power on, and this is off. Okay, so we're going to turn the power on later, and obviously plug the plug. That's controller wire. So this is 4. They have 5 ports, 5 pins. Connect to the port 1 quite easily. So connect to the first one. Okay, and then we finish the controller part. So for the T connector, the controller wire should be on the right hand side. So you can see there is a little extrusion port. Okay, so you'll never get wrong. So go clockwise, right? And for the bottom part, the 2 pins power wire, and go clockwise, and make sure you tighten it up. And so another side of the 4 pins port connect to the glass brick unit directly, which is like this, clockwise as well. Okay, and this is the first unit, right? So connect to the second unit, which is female and male, always female and male. Okay, and so on. So for this case, we use 3 items. Okay, 3 units. Alright, so before you turn the power on, which is very, very important that don't do the hot plug. Alright, so when you turn the power on, when you want to shut it down, don't just do the unplug. That will damage the IC inside, LED IC inside. Turn on procedure. So plug the power, turn the power on. You'll see a little different part, little black line, which is mean on. So turn the power on. And after turn on the power, turn the controller on, which is here. And then you will see that the lights will be turned on. And in the default setting, the effects will be like the transcolor, like smoothly transcolor. So these two triangle, this one is speed up, so you can make the speed a little bit quicker. Change the effect a little bit quicker, and this is a little bit down, slower. In this case, it's not very obvious, but if you want to play more, that we can introduce in another video. And this is for like refresh. So if in any case that some like a crash of the light, it's good to press this button. And this is for if you got another editing, like software editing file. This is to like jump to another setting. So for turn on, we start from turn on the power and the controller after. But when you turn off, we start from turn off the controller first and turn off the power later. So it might be a little bit different. So we turn off the controller first and turn off the power later. That's the standard procedure. That's it. Thank you for your lesson.